So I'm going to interrupt you just for a moment, Mark. You are fitting a C4 transmission to a 1938 Zephyr Flathead 12.
Yes.
And certainly there's a small detail of how do you connect the speedometer to a 1938 technology to a newer automatic transmission? What are you doing?
Well, Daytona Digital actually makes a box that wires into a electronic pickup that you put into the C4.
Okay.
So instead of a speedometer cable going into the back of the C4, it's an electronic pickup.
Okay.
The wiring comes to the electrical box, which has a speedometer cable going to the speedometer in the dash. There's a motor inside of the box
that turns the cable.
That spins the cable according to the signal coming off the C4. And it's completely programmable, actually Bluetooth on the fly.
Really? So you can use a Bluetooth, set the match
tweak
the speed.
Your speedometer and get it accurate.
So you're going to end up with a 38 speedometer that's actually probably more accurate than it ever would have dreamed of.
Right. Right.
Originally.
So, yeah. And that's about the only way to get there.
Okay, so I guess the pickup that you're mounting is probably going to be out of sight somewhere, ultimately.
Right. It's in the tow plate. It's in the kick panel.
Okay, and it just takes a signal wire, a power wire, I guess.
Signal wire and a power wire. That's basically it, and a ground.
And a ground. Yep. And sends it off to the cable. That is really cool.
Yep.
So
and it works well. We did the last one that way, and no problem, no issues.
Very cool. Well, that's a really cool little insight. Thanks, Mark.